भारत में पैडल टेनिस को नई पहचान दिलाने और इसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर तक पहुंचाने के उद्देश्य से पैडल टेनिस फेडरेशन और बिड़ला ओपन माइंड्स ने मीडिया से बातचीत की। इस दौरान दोनों संस्थाओं ने बताया कि उनका लक्ष्य देश भर में पैडल टेनिस को बढ़ावा देना, युवाओं को इस खेल से जोड़ना और नई प्रतिभाओं को आगे लाना है। इसके लिए स्कूलों और कॉलेजों में प्रतियोगिताएं आयोजित की जाएंगी, आधुनिक प्रशिक्षण की व्यवस्था की जाएगी और खिलाड़ियों को बेहतर सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराई जाएंगी। उन्होंने कहा कि खिलाड़ियों में उत्साह और आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाने के लिए नियमित टूर्नामेंट, कोचिंग कैंप और जागरूकता कार्यक्रम चलाए जाएंगे, ताकि अधिक से अधिक युवा इस खेल को अपनाकर अपना भविष्य बना सकें।
So, Paddle Tennis Federation and Birla Open Minds have come together to promote paddle and pickle, and in fact, all the sports across the nation. Since Birla Open Minds is a reputed institute in lines of education and are one of the leading education institutes in the country. So, we've been the founder of Paddle in India. So as a company, we've come together and formed an association wherein we'll be promoting, installing all the racket sports across the schools, as it's the need for the kids, and also organizing summer camps and programs which promotes racket sport in the country. And Nirvan Birla ji is the founder of Birla Open Minds, and we've been he's a good paddle player as well, so he's a sports promoter. So he brought in the idea that we should collaborate and do something really fruitful for the future generation.
Yeah, so I think above all, me and Bakul are good friends, and since 2 years we've been sharing similar journeys in sports, in life, in spirituality also. And with the Paddle Tennis Federation, I think it's a very good initiative that they've brought paddle in such a widespread manner to India, and they were one of the first or the first people to open racket clubs and paddle clubs in India. So for Birla Open Minds to join hands with PTF, with the Paddle Tennis Federation, is a matter of privilege. And the main aim for us is that the learning of students shouldn't end just in the classroom. In fact, it should continue more outside of the classroom. And with a sport like paddle, it's very accessible. It involves a lot of teamwork, trust, balance, mindset. So that's why we've come together to build paddle courts and paddle coaching centers in over 200 schools of Birla Open Minds in India across over 20 states. So that's the plan.